Is your Dynex TV screen black, but you still hear sound? Or does it not turn on at all? Don't panic. Many black screen issues are fixable with proper diagnosis. There are two main scenarios you might encounter. First, the TV has sound but no picture. This often indicates a backlight problem. Second, the TV won't turn on at all, usually pointing to power supply issues. Before diving deeper, let's understand the three main causes. First, backlight failure, the most common issue when you have sound but no picture. The backlight illuminates the LCD panel, and when it fails, the screen appears black. Second, power supply problems can prevent the TV from turning on at all, or cause it to turn on briefly, then shut off. The power supply board converts AC power to the DC voltages needed by the TV's components. Third, T-con board issues. The timing control board processes video signals and sends them to the screen. Problems here can also result in a black screen even when other components are working. Before opening your TV, try these simple fixes first. Power cycling can resolve many issues. Unplug the TV for at least 2 minutes to reset any software glitches. Check all cable connections. Ensure HDMI, power, and other cables are securely connected. Loose connections are a common cause of display problems. Test your remote by trying the power button directly on the TV. Dead remote batteries or a faulty remote can make it seem like the TV won't turn on. If the simple fixes don't work, use the flashlight test to diagnose backlight failure. Turn the TV on, even if the screen appears black. Shine a flashlight close to the screen and look carefully for faint images. If you can see content with the flashlight, this confirms the backlight has failed and needs replacement. This diagnostic approach helps you identify whether you're dealing with backlight failure, power supply issues, or T-con board problems. In the next section, we'll cover specific troubleshooting and repair options for each cause. Now that you've identified the potential issue with your Dynex TV, it's time to explore your repair options. The approach depends on what component is causing the black screen. If your diagnosis points to backlight failure, replacement LED strips are often available online. These strips contain the LEDs that illuminate your TV screen from behind. For power supply or T-con board issues, start with visual inspection. Look for burnt components, bulging capacitors, or loose connections. Damaged capacitors are a common culprit. Circuit boards contain various components that can fail over time. Understanding the layout helps identify problem areas. Wiring connections are also critical points to check. Replacement boards and components can be purchased from specialized retailers like shopjimmy.com or eBay. These sites offer TV-specific parts with detailed compatibility information. Safety is paramount when working with electronics. Always disconnect power before opening the TV. If you're comfortable with electronics and have soldering skills, component-level repair is possible. If you're not comfortable with DIY repair, professional TV technicians have the expertise and tools needed. They can also preserve your warranty and ensure safe repair practices. Don't forget about software updates, which can prevent some issues. However, remember that DIY repair carries risks, including voiding your warranty. Always prioritize safety and consult model-specific resources for the best results.